And here's a look where Trump has won. 6 states from the South all the way up to Massachusetts, and then now a 7th state, NBC this hour, calling Trump the apparent winner in Vermont. So a total of 7 for him. Now, Senator Ted Cruz won his home state of Texas as well as neighboring Oklahoma, and Marco Rubio won his first state of the night, Minnesota, a caucus state, and that is his first win. So this is what it looks like on the Republican side. Now turning to the Democrats, where Clinton also won 7 states tonight, sweeping the South, winning Texas, winning Massachusetts. Vermont Senator Sanders, he won his home state as well as Oklahoma, Colorado, and also Minnesota. So that is where it looks for the Democrats.